Now in this tutorial we will see what is feature class, what is feature dataset, how to create them, and what is the main difference between them. A feature class is a collection of similar geographic feature, like it can be a point, line and polygon. A feature dataset is actually another folder inside a geodatabase, like a container, and inside that container there is a folder, and inside that folder we will create feature classes. How can you create a feature file and feature dataset? First of all, I will go to new, right click. There are other options, like you can delete this geodatabase, you can rename it, you can refresh it, you can make it default, so everything or analysis will go inside this geodatabase. Then new, so inside new there are two options, feature dataset and feature classes. Let's create a feature dataset. I will give it the name of transportation. Now I created, and then it will ask for a coordinate system. It will be UTM 43 north and Z coordinate systems, and then these are this can be default. This is actually XY tolerance. The minimum distance between two coordinates in non-bias software is actually known as spatial tolerance or XY tolerance. Same for Z and M. And hit finish. Now this is a folder inside a file geodatabase, and inside this folder I will create feature classes. But you can also create a feature class inside a geodatabase. If I will go to new feature class, and this can be road, and choose the coordinate system, next, and you can also add fields like name, and then the type will be text, finish. Now you can see that this is a feature dataset and this is a feature class. Now inside this feature dataset we can create multiple things related to transportation, so data will remain organized. Like inside this transportation we can add feature classes like roads, bridges, crashes, and pedestrian walks. So all things related to transportation of a project will be organized inside a geo database and then inside a feature dataset. Let's create a feature class inside this feature dataset. Go to new feature class, and now parcel, and parcels will be polygon, and hit next, and hit next. Now again name and text, and then type. Its type will also be text, and finish. Now you can see that this is a feature dataset. Inside this feature dataset there is a polygon parcel, but this is a feature class. This is directly inside a geodatabase. So this is the major difference between a feature class and feature dataset. There is also another difference between a feature dataset and feature class, that you cannot create topology right over here, but you can create topology rule over here. We will see that what are these topology rules. So first of all, let's draw this parcel. I have a offline base map over here. I just turned on my snapping tool. Start your editing on this parcel, right click, and then start your editing. Create a new feature just like this, also on your attributes. So I will hit this, and now I will create a parcel just like this one. Now the name of this A, and type is vacant, and then I will create another parcel just like this, and just like this, B, and this time residential. Now we just created two parcels just like this and this. Now save your edits, and stop your editing tool. Now if I will remove this from over here and I will drag and drop my parcels, they are stored. This is a feature class stored inside a feature dataset, and this feature dataset inside this geodatabase. So just like this, you can create another feature class, and that feature class can be a line feature, and this can be a road. And next, this person road. Okay, road is already exists, so this is street. And next and name type will be text. Open the attributes, and name is st1. Stop your edits. Yes. So now the street and parcel is inside this database and feature dataset. So these are two feature classes. You can export them. You can also do another thing, like let's draw a road. A road is in Polygon. So okay, we will collect the road in Polygon, start editing, and draw the road. This time I will pick this road in a polygon, just like this. And in attributes, I can add main road, and then save the edits. Stop editing, save edits. Now I want to add this feature class inside this feature dataset. So what I will do, I will hit right click on this and go to import feature class single, and the road output name will be road, and hit OK. Already exists the roads. So now if I will remove this from over here and delete this feature class, and I will drag and drop the roads now from feature dataset. Now road is now available inside a feature dataset. Similarly, you can import your shapefiles into this feature dataset inside a geodatabase. So many thanks. In next tutorial, we will see that what is domain system and how can we use it.